Palawan, Palawano. The Palawano languages are spoken in Palawan province in the Philippines by the Palawano people, numbering around 98,000 speakers. The Brooks Point Palawano variant is featured in this video. In the 20th century, the Palawano people adopted the Tagbanwa script, calling it Ibalnan, with a vowel mark termed an ulit. Palawan, a Malayo-Polynesian language, is native to the Republic of Palau, where it's spoken by approximately 17,000 people. It serves as one of the country's official languages alongside English and is widely used in daily life. Palawan's exact classification within Malayo-Polynesian branch is uncertain, as it's not closely related to other languages in the group. The origin of the name Palawan is uncertain, possibly from the Chinese word Palauyu, meaning land of beautiful harbors, or the Indian word Palawans, meaning territory. However, it's commonly believed to come from the Spanish word Paragua, due to Palawan's resemblance to a closed umbrella. In contrast, Palau derives from the Palawan word for village, ultimately from Proto-Austronesian Banwa, and is unrelated to Pulau, a Malay word meaning island.
Tang,
Sambato,
Erum,
dua,
Edei,
talo,
Ewang,
apat,
Eim,
lima,
Elol,
anam,
Ewit,
pito,
Eyay,
walo,
Etiu,
siyam,
Truy.
sampulo,
Damam al ngarayang, bolomodang sa edang klim.
Kwan, ampu ama, kay dutlangit, marganan kay tayan ikaw.
Arang ade malmay, bolomotaw taswa marablu laad alwaingi rayang.
Ikaw magmanjaring pagibutan at kinsan mga taaw. Ibutan kay tayan limong kay ragan, at wat dunya, nasamat pagibutan dut langit.
Pas kamama kalam, aligel gimospe el alsils.
Bagayan mo kami at kakanan tiban, na kailangan kay itwang aldaw.
Emo sube sa kantmam, alwaisel gimosube sa kantri rarad almerkumam.
Baka ampunan mo kami asat damang kasalaan binwat kay, samat pagampun kay gasi asat mga nakasala damon.
Laka mo makral rakamam almoram ring longaram. Evay mo sa balmam alingigel makit.
Anday mo kami ialap asat malyut ng pagsulay, arapon iparayuna damon kaya atan isaytan.